Good morning. I am MS Tuvaskar from Madhyamik Ashram Shala Rajputwadi. Last lecture we have discussed or we have finished the first lesson and astrologer's day, which is from prose section. And when we saw the brainstorming, we have to discuss on one new concept from the language study, that is code mixing. Before I turn towards this concept or before I clear this concept, I want to write some examples. Some words on the blackboard. Some words are there: Chamchegiri, Heropanti, Dramebaz, and many words are there. But I have taken some or few words. But what is this? Chamchegiri, Heropanti, Dramebaz. When we heard these words, we see that these words are not in regular English language. You see the combination of two words, Chamchegiri, Herogiri, Dramebaz. Two languages are used in the example. These words are in the combination of two languages. These words are here. You see these words are the combination of two languages. Combination of two languages. So we call these two languages, or the use of word of two various languages are called the word which are used by two different languages are called bilinguistic words. Now here new concept is there, bilinguistic words. Bilinguistic words. What is bilinguistic words? Bilinguistic means the use of two or more languages, or use of two or the words used from various or two or more languages. If you see these words, Hindi plus English. You call this two languages or the combination of two languages. You call a new language, that is English. This new concept is given by some scholars. New concept is there, English, new language is there. So, drama is the English word and bazi or baz is the word used from Hindi language. So, the combination of two words, drame baz or hero giri. Hero is the word that is used from English and giri means new special person, so hero giri. That's showing new thing and special, that's hero giri. So here the two words are used from different two languages. So we call these words bilinguistic words. What we call? These words are called bilinguistic words. When such bilinguistic words used by the reader or by the learner, that time that creates a new concept, that is code mixing. That is code mixing. Now we see the definition of code mixing. But before turn towards the definition, we have to remind about the bilinguistic word. What is bilinguistic words? Means the word used by the reader from two different languages. The words which used by the reader from two different languages. We call the word that bilinguistic words. Now we turn towards our main concept, that is code mixing. Now we see when the words are the combination of two languages, or nowadays we see that the communities are use certain strategies to make the communication more effective. If the reader or if the speaker wanted to make his language or make his speech more effective, he used such type of code mixing words. If the speaker want to make his speech more effective and more meaningful, he used code mixing word. He or she or the learner used this code mixing words. Now we turn towards the definition of code mixing. The mixing of two or more languages. To make the communication more meaningful and more effective. Here, the mixing of two or more languages to make the communication more meaningful and more effective, the concept is called code mixing. Students, that is very easy for you, and we saw the brainstorming of the first lesson, you have to find out this code mixing words from the lesson Astrologer's Day. We see many words in the lesson such like cowrie shells. Cowrie shell means shell is the English word, and cowrie, that is from Marathi or Hindi word is there. So you have to find out other examples from the lesson. Let's see. Have you find the words from the lesson? Okay, I am giving some examples that Raja's Delicacy, Bombay ice cream, Delhi almond, 3 paisas, 8 annas, etc. Now that's your duty to find out such type of words. And I want to give more examples in regular language. अरे भाई जरा tie बांधो. Tie is the English word and बांधो is the Hindi word. शॉप खुला है क्या? भैया वो शॉप खुला है क्या? शॉप is the English word and खुला है, that is the Hindi word. Now this is the new trend this is the new trend to communicate, or if the speaker wanted to make his communication effective, this concept code mixing is used. So friends, this is a short topic and you have to find out such type of code mixing words from the lesson and Astrologer's Day. You all know the definition, that is the mixing of 2 or more languages to make the communication more meaningful and more effective. So use the words, code mixing words, to increase the effective of your language. So friends, find out these words from the lesson and Astrologer Day